Many Office users who need to capture part of a screen to use as an illustration in Word buy a separate application like Snagit or Fullshot to capture images from the computer screen. Screen capture, also known as screen clipping, is available here in Microsoft Word without purchasing a separate application. There are 4 main reasons that we might use screen clipping: to create user documentation, to capture something that's going on our computer so we can send it to our help desk, to share files, or to collect data. You can insert a screenshot of a whole window or a screen clipping of part of a window. We're going to create a screen clipping to support this document we're creating that's about saving in our SharePoint libraries. So what we're going to do is actually go out to our SharePoint site and take a picture of the libraries so we can show people how they'll get there. To create a screen clipping, the first thing you want to do is know that you have the software that you want to switch to running in the background. So I'm going to switch to my Two Trees SharePoint site, and the section that I want to show them is this section right here, actually down through the recycle bin. So I want to take a picture of this. Now, the first choice I'll have is to take a picture of the entire screen. So from here, I'm going to switch directly to Word. I'm not going to open anything else up. And then we're going to position our insertion point and go to Insert, Screenshot. Now, there are 2 full windows available. I have an Excel window that was open, and I have this window we just saw. So I can click that window, and the entire window is captured and placed in the document, the width of the screen, which is really nice. So if I wanted to talk about here's everything that's in this window, that would be great. But I really want to be able to show just this area. So I'm going to undo this whole screenshot, and we'll go back again to Insert, Screenshot, and use the screen clipping feature. It says I'm going to insert part of it. Word gets tucked away and hidden, and there's this opaqueness that washes over the window that I'll be taking a picture of, but I can still see it. And so I'm going to move the crosshairs, hold my mouse button down, and select the entire area. Now, I can of course crop this later, but it behooves me to get it right the first time, because until I let the mouse button up, I can still improve my selection. I'm going to release the mouse button, and I'll be returned to Microsoft Word with my image. This is a graphic like other graphics, so I can recolor this if I want to. I can put it on a button or put a bevel or paint a border around it using the style tools and the adjustment tools. I can position it using the arrangement tools here in Microsoft Word 2010. Whether you want to capture part of a screen out of, for example, a web page like we just did, actually capture a picture of a chart in Excel rather than using copy and paste for a picture, or just need to grab a dialog box that your IT help desk keeps asking you what's in it, but it's too much to write down, you can use screen clipping to save lots of time capturing information from any application that you can see on your computer screen.